Welcome to iEmpire Academy. What makes us different? We go way beyond traditional academics. We've developed an enhanced entrepreneurial mindset, e-mindset, that gives every student a strong business foundation throughout their time here. Imagine thinking creatively, solving real problems, and even developing your own business ideas. Our front office is the heart of family support, making every interaction, from enrollment to daily drop-offs and pickups, seamless and convenient. Your child's safety is paramount here. Our highly trained security team actively patrols and monitors our campus, providing a truly secure environment where students can thrive with complete peace of mind. At iEmpire Academy, we create an environment where students can thrive, knowing they are protected. At iEmpire Academy, we unlock every student's full potential through thoughtfully designed classrooms and an inclusive education model that provides tailored support for all learning styles. Our academic edge comes from nationally recognized programs. SFA, Successful for All, boosts reading and social-emotional growth, while SWUN Math ensures mathematical excellence. These programs are game changers for accelerating progress. Beyond academics, SFA integrates GAT, Getting Along Together, and classroom calm corners to foster emotional regulation and conflict resolution, complemented by dedicated counseling support for truly holistic development. Our cafeteria MPR is the vibrant heart of our school, a versatile space transforming from daily dining to a grand event hall. It's the hub for our incredible monthly family nights, from festive celebrations to elegant gatherings, all designed to build strong connections. We invite your family to become an active part of iEmpire Academy's spirited community. We believe in nurturing the whole child, and physical fitness is crucial to student success. Our expansive outdoor fields are home to our proud Knights sports teams. Students can join our competitive charter sports league, participating in popular sports like soccer, flag football, basketball, and cheer. At iEmpire, we ensure students stay active, build teamwork, and embrace a healthy lifestyle. Get ready for fun on our newly renovated playground. With separate areas for younger and older students, it's designed for joyful, active play. And the engagement doesn't stop when the school bell rings. Our popular after-school enrichment program, though separate from school enrollment and offered via lottery, provides an incredible array of activities that extend into the evening. Imagine your child discovering new passions in clubs like cheer dance, football, basketball, and soccer. We also foster entrepreneurial spirit through our unique financial literacy student club, where students create and sell products, like jewelry, at school events, gaining real-world experience. This innovative approach is part of our dedicated literacy/entrepreneurship skills block, equipping students with essential tools for future success. While teachers currently introduce financial concepts through engaging stories, we're actively exploring programs like Fit Money for advanced implementation. Furthermore, our school-wide house system instills a powerful sense of belonging and empowers students to become active, involved citizens. It cultivates a positive school culture, inspiring students to transform their community through impactful service initiatives. At iEmpire Academy, we offer a perfect balance, large enough to provide robust amenities and diverse programs, yet small enough to ensure every student feels known, supported, and challenged. We believe we offer an unparalleled educational experience designed to empower your child's future. We invite you to experience the iEmpire Academy difference firsthand.